Si Meowie. Meow. Say meow. Hello. Meow. LOL, look at this big boy. Look at this big boy. Meow. Look at them. Like. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. I'm posting this on YouTube. Look how high I am. Like, I'm as high as a tree. Look at this tree. Well, it's short. But I have YouTube. YouTuber. Hey, Meowie! You napping? You napping? I'm afraid of you. Look at this. Look at that. His butt. Where's your other family? Look. Look. Get low enough. You're blocking the view. You're not kidding. Meow. Meow. I'm going the other side to vlog. Okay. I won't get hurt. I'm on the road. My mom's over there. I'm at the Philippine embassy. Yo! Like, how many cats are here? Going across this weird part. What the beep? Oh, look at that. That's better. I can see them. Looks. Meow! Meow! You can't see much, but bro. He's a weirdo. Okay. Can I see them under this part of the car? Nope. It's a nice sunny day. Look at this. I'm at Kuwait. There's lots of people out here. I want to put it on YouTube. 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. What is this? Hey, what's up? You big. You always like me that one. Get over here. This is the weirdest. Yeah, if I put it there, I'll get bitten by this kitty. And look at that aggressive guy there at the back. It's like hunting. Oh, he's hunting. He's hunting. Oh, I'm not. I'm videoing them. No, here. Ah! He's gonna hunt me. He's like doing like meow. Meow, 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 meow. No. And then I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Like, look how that. Yeah. Okay, this kitty is in the room. Yeah. Look at this. He's the aggressive kitty of the family. And this is the calm kitty. Flies. Yeah. Look at that fly. What's this? Look at the cat moving its butt. Literally. He's gonna hunt. Look. Dun, 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 dun. They're face to face. It's like boxing time, ball. Yeah, boy. Look. Meow. They're hunting. Yeah, hunting. This is the coolest thing I ever seen. Psst, psst. Oh, he's very focused. Even when I do. Look, he's just not. He's like, I don't care. I don't care if he hunts me because I wanna die. This is weird. Literally 5 minutes. Do not hunt me, okay? Look at this stray curry. I'm on YouTube. Init. Anak ko, okay. Oh no, the water fell down. It's okay. You're fine to sit.
Matumba ka dun, oh. Matumba ka dyan. Dun ka umupo, dun.
What is this black thing over there? I think it's napping while sitting down. Look at all of them. Meow, 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 meow. Hey, bro, he's just like, meow. Whoa, Rocky. Okay, this is getting boring. Look, I think that's its toy. Look at the black thing over there. Cat pussy. Hey, cat pussy. Oh, it's not cat pussy. There's only like, I don't know how many girls. This is getting funny. This is Merdihia familia. Okay, not Merdihia. Like, you guys might be wondering what familia means. And it means family. Familia is in Filipino. Say hi on YouTube.
Hi.
Guys on YouTube and these guys are on YouTube. You're about to be YouTube fans, huh? You little kitty. You naughty kitty. Okay, see you guys. This is Maria Familia. Not go away. Subscribe and like. Hit the bell too. See you guys. Meow, 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 meow.